What's up guys, this is Zach, and today I have a special video, especially because of the game that comes out this Friday. This is the Nintendo Switch OLED, the Scarlet and Violet one, and I am very lucky to get my hands on it because of a friend of mine who went and bought it, and she is going to experience the Switch OLED for the first time, which I'm super excited for her reaction to that. But yes, let's go ahead and dive into this so we can get this done and over with so she can play with it. Alright, so it's your normal Nintendo box, as you can see here. The back does have the starter Pokemon several times on it, and it looks really, really good. And then here you can see that the Switch dock itself has the 2 legendaries from each game, and then the little corner piece is a Pokeball, and when I unbox it, I'll show you that. But let's go ahead and rip this open and no. Yes. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me show you. Product showcase is on. Why is it not doing it? There we go. It is the grass starter Pokemon for this. It is. Look, I'm going to show Laura. It was hidden. Okay. So you just pull this tab up, and we're going to pull this down so we don't hurt the box. Inside is the kind of how to plug it all in, which is nice instructions from Nintendo there. And then you just lay it down and pull this up. And inside we have a lovely view of the 2 Joy-Cons, the Scarlet, which is it's more on the orange side than Scarlet, and then the Violet over here. And then the Switch OLED down at the bottom. Okay, now to pull these out, you lift up from the back here, and it just comes out. And inside you do have your dock, and it's all cables. So here we have an HDMI cable and the charging USB-C cable, which if I can get out of here, there you go. It's your standard Nintendo USB-C cable. Inside you do have your controller for the, or the adapter to make it like a full hand-on controller, which if you have had a Switch before, you should know this. And then the 2 adapters, which are white, which I'm extremely jealous of because I really like these. Mine are black. And then one comes with a purple braided cable, and the other one comes with a scarlet orange braided one. And you can see that here. It is so good at like fine-tuning into the focus of that. That looked really good. I'm super excited. Okay. And then now, the hardest part, because the dock never wants to come out in one good try. Then you just lift up and you have your dock. It's nicely wrapped in bubble wrap for safekeeping, and no need to tear anything. It just comes straight off. And we have here the lovely front that has like a glossy picture on it, and then I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, you can sort of see it here behind. Yeah, there's a little bit of image in silver there. And then again, the little side piece is a Pokeball, which is a really, really cool thing to see. Inside the dock, you just pull this back. Doesn't really matter how you do it, just do it carefully, I would say. Maybe. It's supposed to lean upward. There we go. So you just lean it this way more so that these clips can come out from the bottom. If you've ever had the Switch OLED, it is the same thing here, where you do have your AC adapter at the top, your HDMI, and then your LAN or Ethernet cable. And now, time for the main event. We shall open the Switch itself. Kind of gonna let it slide out of the packaging here without trying to get fingerprints all over it. The beautiful OLED panel at the front, which if you have not seen an OLED Switch in person, I highly recommend that you see that display because it is beautiful and I can't wait to see Scarlet and Violet on it. And here is the back yeah, okay, so both school symbols are back there for Scarlet and Violet, and then all of the starters are trickled throughout in the Scarlet and Violet colors. Again, the Scarlet is more of an orange than a Scarlet, in my opinion, but that is okay. Set this down like this. And there's just a booklet that sits underneath the Switch itself. Not that important today, but you can fold that out and it should. I'm gonna try to do this easily. Yes, so you should be able to grab it by the sides and pull it up, but it is not wanting to, and I don't want to rip it.
Zach?
Oh, okay, never mind. I'm dumb, and Laura had to show me, which is funny. You actually can just lift these right out. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. Here is the Scarlet side, which will be on the left facing you. Very nice. And here we have the grass starter and the fire starter. I haven't quite learned their names yet, so you'll have to be patient with me. I promise I'll know it before the Friday stream.
The grass starter is Sprigatito.
Okay, so Sprigatito. Sprigatito is on both, actually. So both sides get the grass type. And then actually, the water type is not on either of them. So you have your fire and your grass, and then on this one, it's the same thing, except the grass is on top and the fire is on bottom. All right, well, thank you for watching. If you want to see that compared to the normal OLED Switch, you'll have to forgive me if you hear my dog whining in the background. He's very needy. Here they are all together. And here is my Switch OLED, which is the black and white one. I really do like the color contrasting here of having those two awesome colors. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you really liked it and want to see more content, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon. I do appreciate all the views and the subscribers that I've gotten recently. If you would like, Friday, once the game drops, I am streaming along with Laura, who was nice enough to lend me this to unbox it. I will leave all the links in the description below, and thank you guys. I'll see you in the next one.